Right, guys, as you can see, look at this. Filled up to the brim. It's filled up to the brim, but trust me, should it rain today, that by the next morning would have subsided just slightly. And over the time, it will subside slightly, as you see on this one. That one, when I last filled it, it was exactly like that one. And so, but it has subsided just a little. So I'll be filling that one up as well, and I'll be filling this one up. But the main thing is that the two raised beds that we've made have come up nicely, and here they are, ready to be planted on. I hope that you enjoyed the process, you learned something from the process, and that you can also replicate this at your own space. There's logs in there. There's my own compost that I create here in the yard. There it is behind. If you look over my shoulder, okay, anyway, yeah, can't get it right. Yeah, there, next to the wheelbarrow there, yeah, and yeah. So, otherwise, Sandy there, Carl is on top of the hill, and Karin's on top of the hill. I am out. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on the videos. That's highly appreciated. I love it when you do that. From the bottom of my heart, I thank all those that have subscribed, that comment, that like, that engage with the videos. I'm out. And the boys are out as well. They are busy partying right now, so they can't say it themselves. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel.